Good morning, students. Today we will start learning how to make realization account. As it is floating on the screen, you have to prepare this kind of format for the preparation of realization account containing 4 columns. First is particular amount of debit side, particulars amount of credit side. The left hand side will be the debit side as it is as you know very well. Every account has debit side on the left side and credit side on the right side. The debit side is represented by 2 while the credit side represented by. Now see how after preparing this format what to do. You have to prepare the realization account by transferring all the assets. You have to transfer all the assets to realization account. We have done the first entry as well, realization account debit to asset, that I sent you in the previous videos. I discussed with you as well. In the previous video, I discussed the entries. Today I am telling you how to prepare the account. Realization to assets. Which kind of assets? The assets which are given in the balance sheet that are to be taken here. Which assets are to be taken? Which are given in balance sheet at their book value. All the assets are taken here except debit balance of profit and loss, deferred revenue expenditure, and cash or bank balance. As cash and bank balance is shown in the, it is to be shown in the cash and bank account. On the credit side, we have to transfer all the liabilities. The entry will be posted by liabilities. All the liabilities are to be transferred except partner's loan, as partner loan is payable liability, but partner's loan account is to be prepared separately, and credit balance of profit and loss or reserves. Any reserves are there that are not to be taken, because this profit and loss and reserves, if you remember in the journal entry I told you, it is distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio in their capital account. So what we are doing till now, first of all, while preparing we have to make a format of realization account. Then two assets, the balance sheet has given the book values in the statement. With the help of balance sheet you get the book value, and all the assets are to be shown like two assets, debtors, stock, land and building, plant and machinery. In internal column you have to show the amount of each and every item separately. In outer column you have to mark the total. Credit side you have to take on all the liabilities, whether it is the payable or non-payable. Any fund are there, any kind of liability, provision for bad debts, provision for depreciation, all the liabilities are to be transferred to realization account on the credit side. Now, as we have discussed in the accounting procedure that the assets are to be realized. So what should be the entry? Bank account debit to realization account. It means in realization account we have to post the entry by bank account. So what entry you have to pass? By bank account. For which purpose? For realization of assets. For which purpose? For realization of assets. So what values are to be taken here? Realized values. What value of the assets are taken here? The realized value. That is the additional information is given after the balance sheet. I show you the statement as well. Fourth, whatever the liabilities are to be paid, that is to be shown in the debit side of realization account. To bank account, liabilities paid off. Sometime any of the partner take over the asset or liability. If any partner take over the asset, the entry will be by partner's capital account. If any partner taken over the asset, and at which value he is taking over, it is to be shown in the amount. If any partner pay off the liability, he committed that he will pay off the liability, the entry will be to partners capital account. For which purpose? For the liability taken over. Now just have a look again what we have done till now. First of all, the assets are to be transferred at their book value, liabilities are to be transferred, it is of credit nature, it is transferred on credit side, asset transfer on debit side. Whatever the assets we realize by selling it, it is passed with the entry by bank account. The realization value of the assets are to be shown sorry, and liabilities pay off to bank account. If any partner take over the asset, the entry will become by partners capital account. If any partner take over the liability, the entry will become to partners capital account. I discussed each and every logic in their journal entries as well in the previous videos. Now what to do? After posting all the transaction in every account, we have to balance it. How it is to be balanced? We have to mark the total of both of the side. If the credit side exceed, it means the firm is earning the profit. So the balancing figure is to be shown to profit transferred to partners capital account. It will be the balancing figure. Which balancing figure? If credit side exceed. But if debit side exceed, the balance will be transferred as loss. The loss will be taken as balancing figure when debit side exceed. Debit are losses and expenses, credit all income and gain. You know very well, if the debit side exceed, the balancing figure will be loss. If the credit side exceed, the balancing figure will be profit. In the next video, I am going to discuss the numerical along with statement.